What's up, what's good? It's your girl Najah, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure that you hit that subscription button below me. And if you are already one of mine, welcome back, boo. Today, per request, I am doing a how to apply lashes, or more so how I apply my lashes. Everybody's different. Everybody has, their specific ways that they want to apply their lashes. I'm just showing you my way. So I don't really think there's a lot to explain. I guess we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video. So I'm just gonna start with my lashes. I kind of really honestly can't remember what lashes these are, but I will try and update you guys. I will try to put it in the description box below. I don't know if it's actually going to be there. They look like this. I don't know if you can see what they look like, but they are faux mink lashes. I've already worn them a couple times, so they got a little glue on them, You can get a couple wears out of your lashes. That is something that you should know. You can definitely get a couple wears out of your lashes. You don't have to wear them once and throw them away. I feel like a lot of people do that don't usually wear glasses. Usually don't wear lashes. They kind of like take them off and then throw them in the trash. No, honey, take that glue off and reuse them, okay? Use them until they're falling apart. Obviously, when you get like mink lashes, you're going to be able to see the difference in quality and, what they look like, how they move, all the different stuff, A big piece of your eyelashes are your glue. You have to make sure that you're using the right glue. I use Ardell lash glue, and you can get this from the beauty supply store. It's usually like maybe $3-4 bucks. I don't even know if it's that much. I don't know. I think it's like $1 maybe. Whatever the case may be, okay? It's cheap. Get you some. I don't recommend using hair glue. I used to do that, and then my eyes started burning and it was just bad. Hair glue is for hair glue. That's why on the back of the bottle it says if you get this in your eye, to make sure you follow these steps to get it out. It's not meant for your eyes. Get you some lash glue. It's not that much more expensive, really. Go ahead and I take my lash, as you can see here, and excuse the dirty little tip of this, but I just apply the glue to the lash band. I don't put too much and I don't put too little. And then I let it sit. Do not, I repeat, do not try and apply your lash right away with the lash glue, because it's just gonna be all messy. It needs to be able to get a little tacky, and I'll be able to show you how you know when your lash is getting tacky. Then we're gonna wait some time, maybe play a little bit of Beyonce, maybe a little 21 Savage. When you start to see your glue getting a little bit darker, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. When you see the glue starting to get a little bit darker, that means that it's getting tackier. And apply your lash, honey. I'm gonna scoot up for y'all so you can get this nice close action, honey, okay? I don't use tweezers. A lot of people use tweezers. I think tweezers get in the way. We're gonna go ahead, and y'all excuse my lace, it's on a whole nother, that's a whole nother conversation, okay? I just like to blow on it a little bit before I do apply it, even though it's been sitting for a little bit. And I always apply my lash inner corner first and then let it kind of just fall into place, and you'll see. So actually, I messed up. You wanna always apply your mascara first. Any kind, doesn't matter. It just, as long as you kind of get some mascara on your lashes. This just helps it to blend more with the actual lash band and lashes. Now let's go ahead and apply inward out. First lash on, honey boo. Inward out. And there we go, hunty. Lashes on. And then sometimes, you know, you just pressed it up against your lash to, you know, your like actual eyes to make sure that it's on there. You want to get as close to like your actual like lash line as possible. So that is it, honey. It is on. Our lashes are applied. We are looking good and fierce. We are looking like we are ready to fly away, hunty. Yes. I hope that this, you know, made sense. It's kind of short video, short tutorial, you know, something quick, something that someone requested. It was actually requested by Brie the Beautician. Yes, honey, she actually does hair too, so check her out. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you guys so much. I am already at like 511 subscribers, 511 subscribers. Like, I'm growing fast, honey. Y'all are doing the thing, okay? I'm still gonna do my 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm not sure when. I'm still trying to figure out. I want it to be something that like is meaningful, but like anybody could get. Like, I don't want it to just be makeup because I feel like not everybody's into makeup. So I'm like, should I get a gift card? I don't know. Leave your comments below on what you guys think I should give away. Like, please. But your girl's on a budget. Within the right means. You know, tell me what you guys are, you know, what you guys actually would like to get from a giveaway, what you guys like getting, like when you enter giveaways, what kind of giveaways do you enter? Let me know. I want to be able to give you guys things that you want. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.